We are Korean Thai Thais. Long time no see.
Long time no see. What's up?
I do nothing.
Ah.
So I travel here and there.
Yeah.
I think I lost a bit of weight.
Oh, yeah, you look good.
What about you?
Yeah, I do nothing. But I gain weight because I have some news.
Ta-da!
What are we going to make today?
Today we are making Japchae. Japchae sounds familiar, right?
Yeah, Jap Chae is the
Today we have a special guest, Queen Mother.
Woo!
I'm Queen Lee.
Yeah.
She is Queen Mother.
Ah.
She is my mother. Woo! Welcome! You know what? She came to Singapore all the way from Korea to cook Japchae today.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
She is Queen of 손맛. 손.
Shall we
start? So, what's the first step?
이 재료들을 다 씻어오세요.
갑자기 왜 그렇게 말해?
이 정도 사이즈로 이렇게 썰면 돼. 이거는 반으로 썰었어. 이 사이즈로 썰. 이렇게 했어. 너무 잘 해놓으면은 흔적이 없어져 버리니까 이 정도. 이제 한번 해보세요.
So you can buy whatever meat you like and then you can cut it in a long strip size.
한 스푼,
And this is the sesame oil,
반 스푼,
half spoon, barley,
한 스푼.
a bit of pepper. My mom is known for the 손맛, so this is 손맛.
꿀은 한 20분 정도 재워놔요. 이거 뿌리부터 먼저 넣어서 이거는 한 숨만 죽으면 됩니다.
얼만큼이지? One second? Maybe
한 1분 정도.
1 minute. So you have to put it into the cold water. We don't have cold water, so we put ice pack inside the water. One bite size.
Smells so good.
Right? Yeah.
So hungry.
I'm super hungry. We use this glass noodle and we put half of the glass noodle into the boiling water now. You don't put any salt or anything, just put it into the boiling water for about 8 minutes.
양이 이렇게 많아지잖아.
진짜 어느 정도야?
됐어. 이거. 볶을 때는 흰 색깔부터 볶아야 다음 이렇게 당근 같은 거 볶으면 물이 드니까. 한 티스푼? 아까 밑간 조금 뗀 게 있으니까.
한 스푼?
참기름. 한 스푼? 아니. 됐어.
얼굴 다 잘렸어. 좋아.
그래?
밥 반찬이다 완전.
맛있다. 배고파, 갑자기 더 배고파.
Next episode will be kimchi. Because we need kimchi.
김치 오케이?
응, 이렇게.